With an area of up to 175,000 square kilometers, the Pantanal, primarily located in Brazil and partially in Bolivia and Paraguay, is a crucial ecosystem for regulating water and climate in the vast Amazon rainforest. Approximately 80% of this flooded plain is submerged during the rainy season. The Pantanal is not only notable for its biodiversity, but is also one of the most rich and wondrous ecosystems on the planet. The Pantanal ecosystem is mainly formed from summer rains, which turn this land into a wetland filled with interconnected rivers, lakes, and marshes. During the dry season, the water recedes, leaving behind lush green grasslands where numerous wildlife species live and forage. This transformation creates a unique natural cycle where life unfolds in sync with the seasonal rhythms and environmental changes. This dynamic fosters the area's biodiversity. The Pantanal is home to over 1,000 animal species and more than 400 bird species, many of which are endemic and endangered. Notable species include the jaguar, capybara, caiman, and hundreds of bird species such as the tuatue and flamingos. This richness is not only a result of favorable climatic conditions, but also thanks to the diverse vegetation, which includes trees like eucalyptus, palms, and many aquatic plants. Everything is tightly interconnected. Animals, from the smallest creatures to large mammals, play essential roles in maintaining ecological balance. Let's delve deeper into the representative animal species of the world's largest tropical wetland. The hyacinth macaw is one of the most prominent and distinctive parrot species in the Pantanal. With its vibrant plumage primarily in shades of blue, this parrot easily captures the attention of anyone as it soars across the vastness of the Pantanal. Its notable feature is its long, pointed tail, which often fans out while flying, creating striking visuals. They typically inhabit forests, wooded areas near rivers, and wetlands where they can find abundant food sources. Their diet mainly consists of fruits, seeds, and other plants, playing a vital role in seed dispersal within the ecosystem. Notably, this parrot species exhibits high adaptability to various living conditions, from dense forests to open grasslands. They often live in flocks ranging from a few to dozens, forming strong, bonded groups. Communication among flock members occurs through various sounds, from loud calls to soft chirps during playful interactions. These flocks often fly together, creating breathtaking scenes as they traverse the sky. The roseate spoonbill is one of the most recognizable sights in the Pantanal. With its striking pink plumage, they often move in large flocks, creating vibrant patches against the green backdrop of grass and water. Primarily residing in shallow waters, roseate spoonbills forage by sweeping their long, curved bills through mud and water. Their diet mainly consists of algae and small aquatic animals, and their feather coloration is influenced by their diet. The action of foraging and the calls of the roseate spoonbill resonate in the serene atmosphere of the wetland, creating a wonderful natural symphony. The heron, Ardea, is another bird frequently seen in the marshes, characterized by its height of up to 1 meter and long wingspan. Their plumage is usually light gray or white, giving them an imposing beauty. They often stand still by riverbanks or among grasses, patiently waiting for prey to swim by. Herons exhibit sophisticated hunting skills. They can swiftly dart forward to catch fish or small animals. During the breeding season, herons also perform captivating dances to attract mates, adding vibrancy to the landscape. The kokoi heron, Ardea kokoi, another large heron species, is often found in shallow waters and grasslands. With its pristine white feathers and long legs, the kokoi heron has an elegant appearance. They often move slowly through the water, quietly searching for food. Their hunting behavior is calm, and they can remain still for long periods, waiting for the perfect opportunity to catch prey. Their patience and precision in striking make them formidable hunters. The harpy eagle in the Pantanal is one of the most prominent raptors in the wetland. Ranging from 86 to 107 centimeters in length, and with a wingspan of up to 2.2 meters. This eagle impresses not only with its size, but also with its majestic beauty and superior strength. Its characteristic plumage features a gray-black back and a pure white chest, creating a sharp contrast. The most striking feature of this bird is its large, sharp beak, along with powerful legs equipped with large talons, perfect for hunting. Notably, the feathers on its head often stand erect like a crown, creating an impressive appearance. They inhabit dense forests, but are also frequently seen near the Pantanal's wetlands. Soaring in the sky with wide-open wings and powerful wing beats, they can easily spot prey below, from capybaras to monkeys. Their accuracy in diving and their ability to launch surprise attacks make this eagle a formidable predator. In addition to these specific bird species, the Pantanal is home to many other distinctive animal species. The South American tapir is one of the most unique and intriguing animals in South America. They belong to the pig family, but have distinct characteristics that make them special in the animal kingdom. They have a low, stocky body with a short trunk-like snout. This snout not only helps them sense their environment, but also aids in foraging. They inhabit humid tropical forests, where they can find abundant food sources, including fruits, roots, and insects. They are omnivorous, able to adjust their diet depending on environmental conditions. Tapirs enjoy swimming and are often found near rivers or ponds, where they can cool off and forage underwater. Despite their amusing appearance, tapirs are quite shy and reclusive animals. They are primarily nocturnal, so few people have the opportunity to observe them in the wild. Through sounds and traces left behind, tapirs communicate with each other in small groups, typically ranging from 4 to 8 individuals. Notably, they have a rich communication system that includes vocalizations and other physical behaviors. The South American marsh deer, also known as the marsh deer, is an endemic species of the marshes and wet areas of South America, especially in Brazil, Argentina, and Paraguay. This is the largest deer species in the region, with a tall frame and weighing up to 150 kilograms. They have light brown fur with white spots, helping them blend into their natural environment and avoid predator attention. They are herbivores, primarily consuming aquatic plants, grasses, and leaves, focusing on areas with abundant water sources. Thanks to their large, broad feet, marsh deer can easily navigate soft, muddy areas that other animals find challenging. Marsh deer enjoy swimming and can easily submerge when in danger, helping them escape threats like jaguars and caimans. The caiman in the Pantanal, particularly the Yacaré caiman, Caiman yacaré, is one of the characteristic creatures of this rich ecosystem. With a robust body, reaching lengths of up to 2.5 meters, the Yacaré caiman has gray-green skin with light and dark spots, allowing it to blend into its surroundings. This perfect camouflage not only aids in hunting, but also protects it from predators. The Pantanal wetlands provide an ideal habitat for the Yacaré caiman, with rich systems of rivers, ponds, and wetlands. They often gather near riverbanks or shallow waters, where abundant aquatic plants create a perfect environment for hunting. Caimans primarily feed on fish, amphibians, and even some bird species, using their diving and swift attack skills to capture prey. They often appear in groups, especially during the breeding season when females build nests on the shore and lay eggs, later caring for the young until they are independent. This care significantly increases the survival rate of the young, which is crucial in the challenging natural environment. The giant otter, also known as the South American otter, is one of the most remarkable creatures in the Pantanal wetland ecosystem. With glossy dark brown fur and bright eyes, they easily attract the attention of visitors to this wetland area. The body length of giant otters can reach up to 1.8 meters, making them one of the largest otter species in the world. Roaming through the flooded forests and mudflats, giant otters often form groups, which not only aids in hunting, but also enhances safety from predators like caimans and jaguars. With excellent swimming skills, Giant otters often dive deep to forage, primarily for fish, shrimp, and even amphibians. Their cheerful sounds, from barks to splashes, resonate through the tranquil wetland, creating a lively symphony. Each morning, as the sun rises, giant otters typically appear on the shore, basking in the sunlight. This scene is magnificent as they play and groom each other, creating beautiful visuals against the greenery and shimmering water. These actions not only reflect their vibrant energy, but are also vital for maintaining their fur's health. The Pantanal is not only home to giant otters, but also a place where they display rich social behaviors. They interact through play, chasing, and even caring for each other in the group. The bonds among group members make them close-knit and friendly, fostering a warm atmosphere in the wild. The capybara, also known as the water guinea pig, is the largest rodent in the world, weighing up to 65 kilograms. Its soft, light brown fur helps it blend into its natural environment, while its large round eyes and short nose create a gentle, endearing appearance. When observing capybaras in their habitat, you'll often see them gathered in groups of 10 to 20, forming a close-knit community. In the early mornings, under the soft sunlight, they can be seen standing on the riverbank or in green pastures, nibbling on fresh grass. Their cheerful sounds, from their beep-beep calls to the splashes they make when jumping into the water, create a lively and warm atmosphere in these wetlands. Capybaras are semi-aquatic animals, meaning they love water. They can swim well and even dive deep to escape predators such as caimans and jaguars. When feeling threatened, they quickly plunge into the water, leaving just their noses above the surface to breathe. This behavior not only helps them protect themselves, but also showcases their clever survival skills. The giant anteater is one of the most fascinating animals living in the wetlands, reaching lengths of up to 2.5 meters, including its long tail, making it one of the largest members of the anteater family. Its slender yet sturdy body, covered in shaggy brown-gray fur, allows it to blend seamlessly into its natural surroundings. The most distinctive feature of the giant anteater is its long, pointed snout, perfectly designed for foraging. Its toothless mouth is equipped with a long, flexible tongue that can extend up to 60 centimeters, making it easy to invade ant and termite mounds. Each day, the giant anteater can consume up to 30,000 ants and termites, establishing it as one of the most skilled hunters of these insects. As it moves through its habitat, the giant anteater typically moves slowly, with heavy yet powerful strides. It can often be seen foraging in bushes, using its sharp claws to dig into ant and termite mounds. Despite its large and potentially intimidating appearance, the giant anteater is quite gentle and prefers a solitary life. Giant anteaters are primarily active during the day, and their wandering among the lush greenery is a characteristic sight in the Pantanal. When feeling threatened, they will stand on their hind legs and use their claws for defense, creating a powerful and impressive image. The jaguar, found in the Pantanal wetlands, is one of the most iconic symbols of this region in Brazil. With its large size and superior strength, the jaguar is not only the top predator in the ecosystem, but also a stunning creature with its distinctive yellow-brown fur adorned with black rosettes. These round spots not only add to its visual appeal, but also provide perfect camouflage in the dense forests and along riverbanks. As it moves through its territory, the jaguar exhibits calmness and determination. It can easily slip into thick underbrush, and with a single leap, it can capture prey ranging from caimans to giant anteaters. With sharp teeth and a powerful bite, it has no hesitation in attacking larger prey, showcasing its incredible hunting prowess. Unlike many other feline species, jaguars enjoy swimming and often hunt for food and water, making them versatile and adaptable predators. Jaguars typically lead solitary lives, establishing their own territories. Hunting occurs mainly at night, as they stealthily glide through the forest, leaving only faint footprints on the ground. Their sounds, from growls to resonant calls, contribute to the wild and mysterious atmosphere of the Pantanal. The Pantanal boasts extraordinary natural beauty and a rich diversity of unique flora and fauna, but this region also faces serious challenges. One of the most pressing issues is the increasing frequency of wildfires, exacerbated by climate change and human agricultural activities. These fires not only destroy millions of hectares of forest and grassland, but also obliterate the habitats of many rare species such as black jaguars, caimans, and endemic birds. The smoke and ash produced by these fires further endanger the health of local wildlife. Additionally, the expansion of agriculture and livestock farming is shrinking forested and wetland areas. This loss of habitat leads to diminished food and water sources for various animal species, pushing many towards scarcity and extinction risk. Species such as giant armadillos and wild pigs are under significant pressure from agricultural development. Water pollution is also a major concern. The use of chemicals in farming, along with industrial waste, has contaminated water sources, affecting fish and aquatic life. Many animals are struggling to find food and reproduce, leading to population declines. Climate change, land exploitation, and deforestation have significantly reduced both the area and quality of ecosystems. Increasing agricultural and livestock practices have degraded the habitats of many species. This not only threatens the survival of these animals, but also affects water sources and soil quality. Therefore, many conservation organizations and local governments are working to protect the area through community education programs and the establishment of nature reserves. Sustainable tourism development is also a way to draw attention to the beauty of the Pantanal and raise awareness of the importance of environmental protection. The Pantanal ecosystem is not only a precious gem of Brazil, but also a shared heritage of humanity. Its rich biodiversity, intricate ecological relationships, and stunning natural beauty make it an attractive destination for nature lovers. However, to safeguard and maintain this beauty, we all need to take action so that the Pantanal remains a legacy for today and future generations.